All right, hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith there. Okay, so made the comment about getting tools made. Here we go. Got nice thick neon strap. Great. We're gonna make a strap tool with it, and we'll actually have videos. This one here, notice I got it. All you gotta do is put a bend in it. You can take your pliers, go ahead and crush it down a little more. And you notice it's keeping its form. Now, after a little bit of time, it'll want to open up. Not a problem. This little tool right here, slider, I've used a lot. And it's just to do stuff like this. Just give it a little bit of heat to it. You should be able to do it with your fingers. And there you go. Now it wants to stay closed. See? Simple. Just made my own strap tool. Didn't have to go out and buy one. So, another tool to add to your arsenal. And this didn't cost me anything to purchase, buy. I found it. I cut it. And now I've got another tool to add to my unlock kits. My kits do have these that come with them. You can modify these. You can put fishing string on there. You can even put a little piece of rubber on the inside of it from like an inner tube and glue it to it. You make it what you want. Like I said, we're here to give you a hand. And if you're starting out, long reach tool, a lot of the locksmiths use that. I know we're in the job to make money, get in and get out quick. Why not have a couple other tools when you're starting out? That way you have a little more professionalism, and also you can take a little more pride. Thanks again for watching. If you would, go ahead and take a look at our playlist. Hit that subscribe button. You're going to see a lot of videos for the do-it-yourselfers, the beginning locksmiths, and we're going to get into more of the in-depth stuff. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there. Now I need to add this little extra. Any of the tools, like this one here I showed you on making, please remember these are for educational use, not to be used in any illegal activities. And if you are unlocking a vehicle, make sure you have the owner's permission to be doing that. These can get you in trouble even though they're homemade. These are all educational and instructional videos. Thanks again.